This is the permanent site for the Solution Innovation Block and other facility being built in Oka in Anambra State. Yesterday, being the 1st of November, I paid my first visit to this particular location to go and witness everything for myself because I've been seeing a lot of news, a lot of videos online, and yesterday I decided to pay my first visit. Though, if you're not careful enough, you'll be restricted from making a video there, but luckily I was granted the access to make the video. So guys, this is the entrance, the main entrance to the place. This particular area is located at the old government house. Immediately you get to the old government house, there's another entrance, not the main entrance. There's another entrance beside the main entrance gate to the government house. That is where this place is located. So from this view you are currently seeing, I will show you the prototype which they have on the soundboard displaying over there. So this building you are seeing currently is the main building at the forefront there, and these other ones are the ones that are still coming up, which I don't think they have started for now. They have not started all these ones, other facilities. This is the main building, which is the Solution Innovation District. Is already under construction. I will move back a little bit. This is what this building looks like when I put up my wide angle range, and from here I will get a little bit closer to the place to show you the closer view, and from there we'll head right inside the building to go and show you what the place is currently looking like. From the video and from what you saw when we visited, you can see that the building is currently on the second floor. They are currently on the second floor, and I think the building will still rise more, or maybe this is the last floor. Maybe this is the last floor, or maybe it still rise more. But mainly looking at the prototype on the signpost, I think this will be the last one. But let's just keep watching and keep going there, and keep seeing what is happening as things on food. So within a short time I will take you guys inside. So from what you witness in this place, I think the place have one main entrance, one main steps with other auxiliary steps, maybe for emergency, or maybe for people using other rooms or something like that. Or immediately you access the building from this main entrance, you will see the main steps looking at you over there, so which you will be seeing very soon. So from what I showed you earlier, guys, you can see the view of the main entrance. So once you come in from the main entrance door, you will see that staircase. That staircase is the main entrance staircase to the up. So apart from that main entrance staircase, there are other staircase around this place. So from there, where I'm currently showing you is another spaces right inside the building. So inside that building you can find so many spaces, including toilet, restroom and the rest of them. So the building is very very big, is very very wide with enough space. When I visited there, I think I saw, apart from that main entrance staircase, I saw extra staircase which I used, both of them to access the up and also have my access to the downstairs also. So you can see that dangers, rope dangers were tied around that main staircase because it's still under construction. So I was unable to use that main entrance staircase, but some workers are using it though, because they know how to maneuver some certain things in that area. So I avoid using them because I don't want a story that touches the heart. So very soon I will go outside. I will assess the outside again from another exit door to go and show you what the surroundings of the building is currently looking like. Don't mind the surroundings, the floor of the building, because it has not been roofed. So, and we are still in the rain season, so that's why. So when it rains, rain used to enter inside that place. So until they are complete, the roof is completed, and such will not happen again. So now we are heading towards the outside to go and show you what the surroundings of the building is looking like. Those tanks are tanks for storing water, which are being used by the workers to do other things, turn cement and every other thing which is being used for the construction. So this is the view from the outside, and from here we will go from the other side too, at the back, to show you what is currently looking like. And after that we come back to head inside, then use that staircase and climb up to go and show you what the up is looking like for now. So like I said earlier, they are currently at the second floor, which I'm thinking it will maybe end at that second floor, or maybe still go higher. But from the prototype, I think that second floor is the last floor for this innovation district. Then for every other building that's coming up, I think there are many other that will be up to 5, 6 or 7, even up to 10-story buildings. So for those who are not aware, this one is the permanent site for this innovation district. We still have the temporary site also in Oka in Anambra State. It's still located in Oka in Anambra State, and that temporary site has been commissioned, and the project has already been started in that temporary site until this particular one is done or is finished, and they will relocate them to this permanent site. So within a short time we head inside, and from there, after showing you what the up is looking like, and I will also show you be briefing you guys on them some of the facilities that will be going on inside this building and the rest. Though I don't have the full information available on my table, but I will be giving you the ones I saw online and some that somebody briefed me when I visited the site. So this is one of the staircase, not the main staircase, one of the staircase. So we are climbing to go and see what the up is currently looking like. Like I said earlier, the building is carefully being done, like it's neatly been done. I'm seeing it that by the time this building is completed, it will be very very massive and very very beautiful. So we are climbing up. This is the looks of the staircase, and once we are at the top, we show you what it looks like. We not just stop at the first floor. After the first floor, we climb to the second floor to which to go and show you the level of work currently going on inside that place. So like I said earlier, this is the permanent site, you understand, and some of the things that will be going on inside this permanent site is the it will feature the state of sewage and the water treatment system green areas, and a collaborative environment for tech professionals. That's what will be happening at this permanent site. Remember, all these things are happening in Awka, Anambra State, and the short form for the the Solution Innovation District is SID. The Solution Innovation District is also aiming at becoming a central hub for tech talent in Anambra, providing training, incubations, and access to investment for innovations, creators, and entrepreneurs. So guys, if you know you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe, click on the like button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish any latest videos. For all our newcomers, you are welcome to our channel. You are highly welcome. We welcome all of you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and help us share the video. For my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to come and support us. It's not an easy thing consuming data to be watching our videos every day. So continue with the video, watch throughout the video, the remaining section of the video, and then tell us your own take about the whole thing. And carefully, you can post at where we showed you the prototype. You can pause at that place and see all the whole building that will still be coming up, including this particular one that is under construction now. Check all of them out, watch through the videos, and give us your own take via the comment section. For me, for now, it is a welcome development. If it will not become an abandoned project, honestly, if it is completed and maintained, it will definitely put Anambra on the map for this particular one, because the young generation need this. And also artificial intelligence will also be happening here, which is the AI. As for the, I forgot to mention that it will also happen here. So just watch through the video, give us your own take via the comment section, and tell us what you feel about the whole thing. For me, what I just said earlier is my little contribution I have to make about the whole thing. But the last thing I will say is that from the videos I have been watching online last week, last 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months ago, I can say that the building, the construction of the building is not quite very fast. That's the only thing I can say. It's not quite very fast. It's moving very sluggishly. I just hope, no matter how sluggish it moves, let the project not be abandoned. That's the most important thing. So thank you guys for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Continue with the video, and don't forget to give us your own take via the comment section.